Alchemical Wizard 17, Meditation for Biofield Physiological Stress. Here is a meditation technique that I am using for the incoming photonic pulse waves, cosmic scalar waves, gamma rays, adamantine particles, etc., to consider for yourself. These light/energy waves add stress to our nervous and endocrine systems. Add this to your daily detox routine along with your immune boosters, structured water, light exercise, and plenty of rest. Take what resonates with you and feels comfortable. This ascension process is a transmutational process. The adamantine particles, cosmic rays, affect our epigenome. The epigenome is involved in regulating gene expression, development, tissue differentiation, and suppression of transposable elements. Unlike the underlying genome, which is largely static within an individual, the epigenome can be dynamically altered by environmental conditions. Our dormant deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, is being restructured and coming back online with the 4th and 5th strands. This will allow us to hold more light/energy and resonate at higher frequencies. Meditation not only involves relaxation but promotes mindfulness, which helps the stress sufferer to recognize unhelpful patterns of thought that give rise to the stress response, and also involves the active cultivation of positive mental states such as loving kindness, compassion, patience, and uplifting energy levels, via hormonal response. What we think about is stored within our biofield, morphogenetic field. This meditation technique is a good baseline practice for stress prevention on a daily basis, but also as a reminder to your avatar, biological body, light body, that you are consciously engaged in the ascension process. 1. Deep breathing. First, we use deep breathing from the diaphragm. Get as much fresh air as possible in your lungs. When you take deep breaths from your diaphragm, rather than shallow breaths from your upper chest, you inhale more oxygen. The more oxygen you get, the less tense, short of breath, and anxious you feel. Sit somewhere comfortable with your back straight or laying down. I use a bench or a chair if my back hurts for support. Breath in through your nose and then slowly exhale through your mouth. I do at least 3 to get started and then periodically while in meditation. I usually have my shoes off, indoor and outdoor, as well. 2. Point of focus. Our point of focus is going to be giving ourselves a guided meditation through our energy centers, chakras. First, we ask that Gaia connects her crystalline core to our Earth Star chakra. With shoes off, preferably, we give thanks for the connection. Then we say from Earth Star chakra, energy flow, connect to my root chakra. Thank you. Then we say connect to my sacral or navel chakra. Thank you. Then we say, let the energy flow to my solar plexus chakra. Then to my heart chakra, and may there be abundant compassion. Much gratitude. Then to my throat chakra, where soul talk and light language may be expressed. Thank you. Then on to my third eye chakra or my brow chakra, where my pituitary and pineal gland may open to the telepathic communion with my higher self. Thanks. Then on to my crown chakra, so it may open like a lotus leaf or satellite dish and be ready for transmitting and receiving. Gratitude. Then connect our energy to our soul star chakra, where our soul's blueprint resides. Thanks. Then on to the rainbow bridge to the higher frequencies of self. Thank you so much. Then I say, deep breath, I am ready to receive guidance from my higher self, or I am ready to receive more source codes. You can ask a question if you have been doing this meditation technique for a while. But keep this simple and clear for now so that you can incorporate, or as we say, embody more of the photonic light and the source codes coming in. Then usually I feel a tingling in the crown/brow chakra and let it flow through all my chakras into Gaia's crystalline core so that it may be shared with all. Thank you. Now that energy is flowing in a symbiotic relation from Gaia through you to source and from source through you to Gaia, we have opened up and become conduits. Now we are engaged in this transmutational process as we add more love/energy/light to not only ourselves but to a whole planet and beyond. 3. Gratitude. Yes, now that the energy exchange is flowing, it's linear time in this present moment to give thanks to all. Thank you Source, God, Multiverse, cosmic consciousness, etc. Thank you celestial realm, thank you angelic realm, thank you subatomic realm, Hyperboreans, thank you benevolent space family, thank you aquatic kingdom, thank you plant kingdom, thank you animal kingdom, thank you humanity, etc. Fill in here with what sounds good to you. If you still have jumbled thoughts during this meditation, you can use one repeated word or phrase over and over, like the word love, or peace, or calm, or a phrase like sovereignty for all, or we are all diplomatic, or abundance and health for all. Sometimes I use this little technique when I get sidetracked. I reposition myself and start from where I was in the guided meditation. After doing this for days, years, my higher self takes over, and the next thing you know is you just have to set your bare feet onto Gaia and the energy exchange begins. Okay. Now, pretty simple, huh? This simple meditation technique helps clear out blockages in your biofield physiology and makes it easier for the energy exchange. Now that you have slowed down enough to engage in the absorption of the photonic waves, adamantine particles, and allowing the excess to be shared with all, Gaia's crystalline core or unity drive, which reverberates its collective frequency back out, is communicating to Source that you are in more harmony, unity consciousness, service to others, etc. This will help you on a daily basis with easing Ascension symptoms by acknowledging your own source codes and saying thank you for letting me be a part of this Ascension process in a much grander Ascension cycle. Blessings everyone. Stay hydrated my friends. We are sovereign, we are free. Travis Carper. January 9, 2019. Blog on 3decrees.org.